Well, in this video we will upload the PLC program from S7-1200 PLC. So here is the CPU of S7-1200 PLC. I will unplug the Ethernet cable that is communicated with a touch panel and will insert my own Ethernet cable for connection with the PG. So here is another end of the cable. Now I will open TIA portal. It's already opened, so no need of reopening, but you have to open a TIA portal. I will create a new project and I will name it as S7-1200 upload. Create the project. It will take some time. After the project has been created, go to the project view, click on online, and here the upload option is disabled, right? So for that you have to select this S7-1200 upload written just like I did, and upload device option will be enabled now. So click on that. Well, choose the interface. I have already chosen Profinet and Profinet Industrial Ethernet and Realtek Family Controller, and start search. Well, it will start searching for the online devices, and here a connection has been established with my S7-1200 PLC. So here is the address, the IP address, the MAC address of the PLC, and a connection has been established. So I will click on upload button. Well, remember the IP address of your system and the PLC must be in the same subnet, right? So the IP of my system was not, so it asked me to have an additional IP address of my system in the same subnet as of PLC. So it did it automatically. An additional IP address was added, right? And after clicking on upload button, it started to fetch the configuration from S7-1200 PLC. By configuration I mean the program stored in the PLC, the device configuration, the number of IOs that have been interfaced with the S7-1200 PLC CPU, and the network configuration if there is any. So all the configurations have been uploaded now. I will go to the device configuration. By device configuration I mean that the PLC and its associated system modules such as digital input, analog input, digital output, analog output, etc. So here is the configuration of S7-1200 PLC. You can go online here to observe and monitor the status of the various digital input channels and analog input signals that have been interfaced with your PLC. Here I choose not to go into every single digital input or analog input channel, but you can do it just like I go to the online. Additionally, I am fetching right now the various program blocks. Here is the program, here is the list of all the program blocks in the S7-1200 PLC that I uploaded from the PLC to my TIA portal. Various function calls, function blocks, data blocks, and organization blocks, all sort of program blocks will be uploaded from the PLC to your TIA portal. Here I will go to my main organization block to look for the status of the program, to observe the online status of my program. By online status I mean that I'm actually going into the memory of the PLC to observe the status of each and every single instruction in my PLC program. So here you can look at the program, PLC program. You can go offline and online, right? The glasses symbol that I switched on and off, that actually means that I can look into the program, I can go online and offline, right? And the rest of the configuration, just I switched to the topology view, the network view, and the device view, and the computer program. All these show the program, network configuration, device configuration. Okay, I will save the project and I will exit. So this was the process of taking the backup of your S7-1200 PLC. Close the TIA portal, and I will click on the TIA portal. I'll click on the folder that is actually storing my project that I saved right after the entire process. So here you can click on this and you will go to your project as well. So this was the process of uploading a program from S7-1200 PLC. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.